The other day I made a contraption to make tea right from bed so that when you get up in the morning, your tea is already made. So there are two elements to this, the kettle and the tea bag. For the kettle, I made a stand for it to swivel on so that it could pour the tea. I just cut 4 pieces of wood to be the same and then screwed them into a stand. Then I drilled a hole in each of them so that I could put a dowel through so that the kettle could rotate on it. Then I taped an adapted PVC pipe to the kettle so that it could rotate on the dowel. After attaching the kettle to the stand, I put it up onto books so that it would be tall enough to rotate. Then I attached the power supply to it with tape so that it wouldn't fall off while it was in the air. Then I tied it to a chair so that you could see how it works. So after that, I plugged my hot glue gun in and went onto the dispenser for the tea bag. I made it out of cardboard and designed it so that you could have 3 tea bags in it at once and then just use whichever tea you wanted that morning. However, I only used 1 in the testing because I didn't want to use more string. So if you happen to want Earl Grey on that particular morning, you could pull the first one and get Earl Grey. If you wanted black tea, you'd pull the second one, and if you wanted peppermint, you'd pull the third one. So after setting up the kettle and wiring all the strings to go back to my room, and after setting up the cameras so that I could see what happened later, I started to test it. Okay, so I have my 3 strings here. This one is for the tea bag. Okay, then this one is to turn on the kettle. Okay, there it is. Now I can do the water.